Hey, what's going on guys? ShayOG here, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own Unblocked Flash Games website. And some of the advantages to this is that oftentimes if you get it working at home, it'll work at school, and it probably won't get blocked, and it's just more reliable overall. So let's get right into it. And first thing you want to do is just sign up for one of these Weebly accounts. You can just use any name, any email address, but make sure you remember it if you're going to go back. And then jeez, if I could. Alright, that's good enough. And then just make sure it's 8 characters and it has a number and that you can remember it. Alright, sign up. And it'll take a minute, but eventually we'll get there. Alright, then you'll just click I just need a website. Then when you get here, you're going to have to choose a template. Alright, let's choose this one. Then just go into your next tab. And then what you want to do is just choose another like game that you want. Just could be anything. I'm just gonna go with this one. It's just pretty simple. Alright, once it loads, may have to go here and just allow flash manually. Sometimes it doesn't work for me. There it goes. Alright, so then go into your more tools, then developer tools. Alright, so what you want to do is just click on this little thingy right here. Then just click on like the game that you want to download. So this is what I want to download right here. Then edit it as HTML. And then just kind of look closely and just look until you can find like a .swf. So I got kicked out of it. Alright, so this looks to be it. So then just highlight it. Oh goodness, what is going on? Alright, show in here. Highlight what you want to go to. Then just copy it. And then paste. And then just make sure to keep it. It's not gonna harm you. Then just go in here. Oh, no, that's not it. Then just make up your website name. And just choose this one unless you want to pay money, but that'll be dumb. Alright, so done. Then just get rid of this to make some space right here. And then what you want to do is go in here, and if you don't see all the elements, hit something like add elements or something like that. Anyways, you'll want to scroll down until you find Flash. When you see it, upload file from your computer. And then just let it upload. And then do not click block or X on this, otherwise you won't be able, it'll be hard to go back. Alright, and then once it's done uploading, just hit publish. Alright, then you can just open it. Hit allow. And as you can see, it is working fine. Let's just see if it works real quick. Sorry about that, if you heard that. And yeah, as you can see, it works. So, I guess that's all. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm sorry I didn't upload this yesterday, but as you may have seen, I got one of my videos copyright striked, so yeah. Anyways, I'm going to be making the MobyMax Unlimited Game Time hack sometime soon. Somebody told me it stopped working. Whoever it is, thank you again. And I'll see you in the next one. So yeah.